What up, YouTube? Daniel4619 here. Got a box of these at Target. So I did get a couple players I like. Sam Darnold, probably retail exclusive there. Got an auto. Jordan Poyer. And like the retail it has, well, I don't know what the hobby looks like, but got like a sparkly rookie card there. Teray. Got another sparkly Deshaun Jackson. Clay Matthews. Boy, that's sweet. That gold right there. So, somebody wanted me to tell a story. Well, one time I was walking down the street and this guy had a brick veneer house, a brick house. And his brick was knocked down and you could see inside his living room, and there was tire marks on his carpet. Come to find out, his ex-girlfriend, he broke up with his girlfriend and she became his ex-girlfriend, and she decided to drive into his house with her car. She had one of those old cars that are made of solid metal, you know. But what was interesting is he told me at first she just hit it a little bit and a couple bricks knocked out, and she came back an hour later and she went full force with it and went all the way into his living room. And then there's the base, Krispy Kreme. All right. Here at the hotel.